Hi guys, I have made one beautiful concept to learn fast, that is HTML and CSS. To make good website you need to use the right HTML tags, attribute and CSS for properties. We use essential HTML tags and structured goals. So we have to talk about most important thing, that is basic structure tags, that is we use in our HTML. There are HTML types, and these are the structure of HTML, and it defines document type, HTML language English. This is the most definition part, and you have to learn about this. Uh, this is the CSS link, and we have to make our responsive website. We use some properties like page layout, tags, headers. These are the main things in our HTML, which we have to learn from basics to advanced. So guys, I have to know this is the best part of your life. Nobody can tell like this. So importance of HTML attributes. Yeah, here some attributes are there. So uh, if you want to learn attributes, these are the basic and most used attributes which is present in our HTML and CSS. So I have declared everything, and for example and their uses of attributes. So you have to learn these things. And next is the CSS essential properties. These properties help you style and structure your website layout, positioning, display. These are the most common useful for CSS properties. And if you really practice, these are the best examples for your beginner level websites. Example are there given below. So you have to see, display, justify content. These are the box model is the most important in your website. To create this, we have given some example. Next, typography and colors means font size, font family, colors, background color. These are the typographies in HTML. CSS or examples. Responsive design, we need to create our responsive design of website. So we use media queries like media under at the rate media, and we have to mention the sizes of the our media queries. So here are the some CSS, and then we use JavaScript for interactivity. Means JavaScript is a dynamic programming language, so we use dynamically. To make dynamic website, we use JavaScript. Here are the few basic points of JavaScript you have to use. These are the alert buttons, charging, changing the text dynamically. These are the some basic syntax for you to practice. Adding JavaScript to HTML, there are buttons ID. We have to add our HTML by creating class and ID. Whenever you learn, you can easily get the answers. And the bonus point for our good website, that is use consistent layout, use header, navigation, main, footer. These are the bonus point of your website. And use consistent, make it mobile, and optimize loading speed. These are the basic and most important things which I have made for you. And comment me if you want this PDF. I will send you in description box though. Thank you.